Today I'm going to show you how to create a table in Lucidchart step by step, even if you've never used the table tools before. This is a super useful skill when you want to organize information, compare data, build simple layouts, or create clean diagrams for work, school, or team projects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open your canvas, turn on the table shapes, add a table, resize it, and format the content inside it. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, you can either open an existing document or start fresh by clicking the plus new button on the left dashboard. If you want a clean workspace, choose a blank document so you can build your table from scratch without any distractions. Now that your canvas is open, the next step is enabling the table shape library. In Lucidchart, some shapes are hidden by default, so if you do not see table options right away, do not worry. Look down on the left-hand side where the shape menu is located and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click More Shapes or simply press M on your keyboard if you want a faster shortcut. This will open the Shape Library window. Inside the Shapes window, go to the Shapes tab and look for Tables. You can also use the search bar if you want to find it faster. Once you see the Tables option, check the box next to it. After that, click Use Selected Shapes. At this point, Lucidchart will add the table tools into your left panel, making them available whenever you need them. Next, it is time to add a table to your canvas. Go back to the left shape menu and expand the table section. You should now see several table layouts available, such as a standard table, a table with a header row, banded rows, or banded columns. Pick the style that best fits your project. If you want something simple, the standard table is a great place to start. If you need a cleaner visual structure for data, a header row or banded style can make everything easier to read. Once you choose a table layout, click and drag it onto the canvas. When you release the mouse, the table will drop into place. If it feels too small or too large at first, that is okay, because you can resize and adjust it in the next step. The important thing is just getting the table onto the page. Now, let's adjust the table dimensions. Click once on the table to select it. When it is selected, a contextual panel will appear on the right side of the editor. This panel gives you more control over the table settings. Look for the Advanced Options section, where you can change the exact number of rows and columns. This is really helpful because you do not have to manually guess or rebuild the table later. You can set the size you need right away, and Lucidchart will update it automatically. You can increase or decrease the rows and columns depending on how much data you need to organize. Lucidchart supports up to 100, which gives you plenty of flexibility for larger tables too. If you are building a small comparison chart, you may only need a few columns and rows, but if you are creating a more detailed planning table, you can expand it as needed. After your table size is ready, it is time to start inputting data. Double-click any cell in the table and begin typing directly into it. This makes it easy to add labels, numbers, notes, or categories without leaving the canvas. If you want to move quickly between cells, just use the Tab key on your keyboard. That shortcut lets you jump from one cell to the next, which is especially useful when you are entering a lot of information. You can also format the table to make it look more polished. Use the formatting bar at the top of the canvas to change font size, text alignment, and cell fill colors. This is where you can make headers stand out, improve readability, and match the table to the style of your document. A few small formatting changes can make a big difference in how professional your table looks, and that is how to create a table in Lucidchart. You now know how to open your canvas, enable the table library, insert a table, adjust the rows and columns, and type and format your data. Once you get comfortable with these steps, creating tables in Lucidchart becomes quick and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.